This is Ben from Ben's Barnyard. We're heading to the cabin, and we're gonna look for mushrooms. So, I also packed my suitcase and a beer can. This is it. Actually, I think it's a beer box. Do you see it? And, when we get to the cabin, I can show you a surprise. Actually, I should show you right now. It's back here. See? Can you see that? That's what we have. It's a ginormous Jeep, but my brother has a Gator. I think you already know that. And we're also driving the truck today because my Jeep wouldn't fit in the car, so we're driving the truck instead. And see, we're heading straight towards it. And Spot, he has an ear infection. That's kind of sad. Who's making those noises? It's our brother. Hey. Do you see him? He's kind of cute. I love him. So, Oliver also has some candy. I already have jelly beans. Ooh, he has jelly beans. Jelly. Can I have a jelly bean? Can I have a bean? Jelly bean? You eat it, but I'm gonna put you in my case. Okay. Well, my brother has a beer can. Jelly beans. And my brother has jelly beans right now. But see that barn over there? That barn house? That's what I wish our house can look like. I also really want to get distracted for my birthday. I can't do the work without it. Never, ever, ever. So, I'm going to wish for one for Christmas. I wish I was already at Christmas so I could do a lot more farming than I already have. But, we also have a silo right there. I think it's their property, that house over there. I think it's their property. I don't know whose property it is, but I don't know why they put it there. So when we get to the cabin, we're gonna hunt for mushrooms. But my dad's driving the truck, but I wish our property just looked like that one. That one. And also had two properties. One for me, one for Dad. Oliver also has his own phone. I always do videos on my phone. So today, I don't know if I ever made videos on this phone. Well, I think I always made videos on this phone. I also have my brother. He loves candy. Fluff. Fluff is one of his favorite things. One of my favorite things too. But see you when we get to the cabin.